as Ukraine's drone army is often left with the job of cleaning the battlefield of Russian equipment. They optimize each strike to increase their chances of destroying the vehicle, as this can change from situation to situation, as seen with this BTR-82A vehicle, which had an anti-tank mine left on the roof, causing the drone operator to aim in for this, as the mine exploded, tearing apart the back section of the vehicle. Seeing how Ukraine's drone operators use every situation to their optimal possibility, making sure Russia can't use the armored vehicle in the future, destroying another of Russia's armored vehicle, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.